Alright, in case you're changing your or wondering why your mirage doesn't turn off, okay, I'm gonna show you something. Okay, right now, you see, what's that light? Okay, you see that light? Sometimes that light don't turn off, and it's gonna consume your whole battery. So, what you need to do is you need to unplug this wire here, so that the magnetic locks or the springs will come off and your switch will seem to work. And then you just switch. You see, you try to lock it using your hands. This is, yep, that's what I'm talking about. And you lock it real hard, and you'll see if you keep flicking that one, the lights will turn off. Voila. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Alright, watch more of these as I try to fix this mirage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like. Hey guys.